guys, I'm here today to make a video on how to show you guys how to install Origin on your HP ProBook. You know, oh shoot, where to go? Well, it's some right here. HP ProBook 6 something. But anyways, y'all, I have been struggling ever since I got this laptop, y'all. I have been struggling for well, a few months actually, because every link I try to find, nothing could help me figure out how I could install Origin on my laptop so I can use it, because every time I would hit download, error would pop up and it would tell me that I can't use Origin because certain stuff like isn't downloaded. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. If you go here to, I guess this is like a Microsoft website, you guys can look at the top, https supportmicrosoft.com -help the latest supported Visual C downloads. Okay, so on this page right here, it's just showing you some of the updates and stuff that the laptop needs. Okay, the Visual C++ redistributable packages, that's very important. So I just realized I didn't have anything installed on my laptop at all, so that's why it wouldn't let me install Origin. So you guys, I went right up here to, you guys can see they got a 2008 version, 2010, 2012, 2013, and 2015, 17, and 19. Now I did try a YouTube video, you guys, because there are YouTube videos out there of people that are trying to tell you to download this and download that. So the YouTube video that I watched told me to type in, I just type in A to get up faster, and you hit add or remove programs. As you can see here, now these are here because I installed them, but before those were not there. There was no Microsoft Visual. So watching the YouTube video, that only got me to install the 2010 version, and you guys, it's 2020 now. So I was like, is there like a 2019 version? So I typed that in, and of course it's taking me to the website that I'm showing you guys now. And not this link doesn't work for me. So if you click this button right here, it'll ask you to install it. So I just hit install and run it, and it's gonna pop up a screen to ask you to, will it do it now? Let me see. Alright, it's gonna pop up this screen right here, run, save, and cancel. So you guys run it. After you run it, it's gonna send a like a little questionnaire box up. Hit that checkbox and then automatically install to your computer. So do that for the 64 and the 86. And after you do that, go back to your start button, type in A, go back to add or remove programs, and they will be popped up here. Now you guys, I don't think I need the 2010s anymore, but I'm gonna just keep them in here anyway. So look, you guys, do you want to allow this app to make changes or just install it? Yes, I do. So we can click out of that, and once you do that, you guys, installing the latest version of Origin. So now we're just waiting for Origin to install, you guys. And so yeah, I hope this video helps somebody out, because like I've been struggling for months, and this is the only thing that actually worked for me. So I hope this helps somebody out in the world, because it sure did help me out. And now I can finally play my game that I purchased money for. So once this Origin installs, all I gotta do is log in and I'll be able to play my game. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope this helps somebody out. Bye.